Back once again with another vlog. We're heading to St. Louis today. It is cold and sometime in winter, but this is this is another vlog. We're here. I'm not. Matthew's here. It's just me at the moment. But yeah, we are on the road. It is like 23 degrees outside. My hair is gonna freeze by the time I'm there.
You have your camera angles right?
Yeah. No, it wouldn't. It was on photo mode. First fill up for the vacation. We're going on a Christmas vacation finally.
It's not a Christmas vacation, it's after New Year's.
Same difference.
No difference. What?
Same difference. We're going on a Christmas vacation.
Very different.
It's cold.
Cole is trying to fucking poison us.
Oh, quit your whining.
It's this scariest fucking looking thing. And it's like, you gotta try it. It's pineapple ginger. This is gonna be fucking poison.
Good for you.
It has to tell us that it's so good for us. So
it's so good for you. It's 100% milligram, 100% DMV.
If pregnant, nursing, or under 18, please consult a physician prior to enjoying.
It says the same thing for Red Bull. Come on, shake it up.
I wonder why it's the same thing for Red Bull.
It does look like a pill bottle, doesn't it?
Yes.
All right.
We're gonna die.
Oh,
we're
all gonna die one day.
We're not even gonna make it out of KC. We are gonna be stuck here.
Oh, it doesn't smell that bad, actually.
Nope, I don't like
Cheers.
it. That's mostly just good. I don't like pineapple.
Ooh, that's not bad, actually. I like that.
I don't. But,
I really enjoy that, actually. That's really good.
I don't. That was bad.
A personal problem. I'm finishing mine. Here, drink a chocolate milk.
It's like really bad orange juice.
Yeah, it's like really strong orange juice. No, now I have a pill bottle. Now if a cop pulls us over, he's gonna be like, "What are you taking, son?" It tastes like the little ginger you get in the sushi. Like the cheap gas station sushi. You're really struggling there, aren't you?
I don't like it at all. And the flavor won't go away. I'm stuck tasting this. I have a Powerade. I will use this.
That's a Gatorade.
Holy Gatorade, yeah. Nondescript energy power drink thing. They didn't give us a brand deal.
We do. The Blue Bumpers didn't get the brand deal. Oh no. We're on vacation, trying new things, even though we haven't. Oh, CJ finally texted.
Oh my God, he finally woke the fuck up.
Goodbye, Blue. We'll contact you again later, Blue Bumpers.
Are you recording it?
Huh? Yeah. First gas station stop. It's the vlog.
Okay.
That tastes gross.
CJ, scoot over to the middle so you're in.
Okay.
You're still gonna be covered by the dang. Alright.
Mini, Pelon, Pico, Rico, whatever the fuck this shit be. Why do you do this? Why do you do this to us?
Because it's funny.
It looks like it's gonna be spicy or something.
It might be spicy. Oh, it's not. Yeah, she's holding me without it, Amy, so they're not alcoholic. I don't know what that is.
There's one English label on it and it says warning.
Natural and artificial flavor.
It smells like Play-Doh.
Is this Play-Doh?
You just
Right,
guess
like
Play-Doh to act like it's a food item? Like,
I think we squeeze it and then we lick it. Yeah, mine neither.
I don't think it's a real thing, Cole. I think you just found like a little toy thing.
They have
Food
nutrition facts on them. 90 calories. These are the things that they gave us. There we go. Okay, I'm getting a little out.
Yeah. Trying it full. I don't think your taste test means anything, so.
This tastes like Play-Doh.
It does taste like Play-Doh. I may have just bought us Play-Doh.
Yeah, it tastes like Play-Doh. It's literally just Play-Doh with some
Ingredients.
It might just be seasoned Play-Doh.
chili powder.
Ingredients is sugar, water, corn syrup, chili powder, and contains 2% less of a bunch of other things. Basically, sugar, water, and corn syrup.
And Play-Doh.
I don't think I like it.
Oh, there's chili powder.
It does definitely taste Mexican.
I
Yeah, alright, I'm done with that too. See, look, a fun experience.
That was not a fun experience.
That was a fun new experience.
That was not fun at all.
No,
It's hell.
Fun new experience. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hell.
You get a $20 stripper who would touch you, and then you'd be like, that's a fun new experience, and that's it.
Yeah. Alright. Bye, vlog.
Then leaving?
Huh? Whoa. Chicken farm. I got tacos. And a very cool Vietnamese coffee. Whoa. I don't know what this place is.
It's called the Foundry Toast.
The Foundry?
Yeah.
That's true. That was a little bit embarrassing. We drove 4 hours for you to get a grilled cheese.
There's gonna be more stuff later today. I also got shawarma. Leave me alone.
There's so much more we can do.
I should have.
That's a different consequence. Oh, it's so hard.
I don't know why.
Do it, Matthew. All of it, right now. Matthew, all of it, right now.
That is a very not American chocolate flavor.
Not doing that.
For the vlog. Where are we? Does anyone would like to explain where we are? To the vlog? We're at the IKEA. We're at the IKEA. Nowhere interesting. We're at the IKEA. Aw, are you guys expecting? Sunshine, do you have big news for Matthew?
No, it's the other way around. Matthew has big news for Sanjay.
Huh?
Oh, jeez.
Oh yeah, get in there, Cole.
What?
Get in there, Cole, right on top of him.
Cole, we're trying to figure
I feel like you're a Facebook song right now.
I don't like this couch though. I don't like this couch for us. For our kids.
You don't like it?
They're gonna rip out this leather. Are you kidding?
That is true, but like, we just beat the shit out of them for doing it.
You have an
Okay.
only child.
Everything that I've got.
Alright.
Cole just like recording every.
I don't know what else to record.
Every instant.
It's gonna be a boring vlog. That is actually sick. It's 3D printing Swedish meatballs. Wait, what pride flag is that? You broke it? Why'd you break it? You broke it. Sorry, I like to film my little vlogs when I go on all travel trips.
It's like, oh wow, Sweden. Like, we see the clip. It's
Oh
like,
my
oh,
god,
nice.
we're in Sweden.
Put it in his mouth.
$7 instead of 20.
I think mine was 14. Yours was 15.
I'm doing the white girl thing.
I don't know they're spicy.
I think that was like a really stringy piece of fat, well noodles. So like,
It just did the spice just hit your throat and stayed there.
it wasn't spice. It was just the sheer amount of food I was slurping up, and it
Why
just
your
all
throat's
went
on fire.
straight into my throat, and it kept sliding down.
Oh? You know we're in the city now, eh?